You know, I just finished changing the oil and putting a new belt on, and it starts snowing. How about that? Where are you? Right there. Hi, honey. You gonna go run around in the snow? Big dog. Check out the snow, bud. Come on. Come on. Your leg's still asleep? Come on, Bubba. Come on. Check out the snow. Come on. It's like, I don't know. You like the snow? She's like, fuck this, I want to go inside. Well, anyways, got that warming up. I got to put all my junk away, clean up the driveway so we don't chuck sheet metal screws all over it with snowblower. Hi, dogs. So the dogs run around in the snow. Anyhow, journey of 1,000 miles begins in first gear. Thanks for watching Wood Chips World. Don't forget to hit the fucking subscribe button.